Alright, so today we have a 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid, and we came across an issue of a noise, like a creaking noise. And at first, we thought maybe it was sway bar, suspension, there's a bunch of things that I read online. I even thought it was this thing, because that's the noise you would kind of hear, or it'd make that resemblance of that sound, but it wasn't that. And so I rode in the back while the wife was driving, and I heard it coming from this area, why it was closed. Doesn't make it when it's open. Come to find out, it's these little guys right here. So I turned them all the way in, and then I turned them a full knob turn, closed it, took it for a test drive, the noise stopped. So if anybody else runs across that issue, try that out. Maybe it'll save you some money from the dealership.